Welcome back. Hopefully this is a real quick unmolding. This is my favorite. I'm gonna open it first. I don't care. Okay, excited. Love it, love it. This is exactly what I expected it to look like. I did that. Okay, bet. Who am I giving my coochie to? Okay, little Palo holder. Oh geez. And guys, I glued the nail back on, the middle finger, all right? Got some real good nail glue, or so I thought. Came home, was like, about to text homegirl like, damn, which nail glue is this? Use the loo, right? Use the loo. As I was wiping, it fell into the toilet. So I just flushed it because I wasn't going in the toilet for a damn nail. Y'all would be all right. I'll just put a band-aid over it when I head out. Please don't be annoying. Come out I'm not in the mood. This should be easy. All right. Okay, this isn't exactly what I thought it would be giving, but I'm not upset with it. I like the hint of gold in the middle there. Yeah. All right, this one, please don't give me grief. I don't know if y'all can see how shimmery I am, but I'm shimmery. I have a market. That's why I'm taking these out right now. I was gonna do it last night, but I came home and I was gonna craft some more because I wanted some more stuff for the table, but my body said rest. So I listened to my body because oftentimes I don't listen to my body. It forces me to listen. So even though this is what I love, it does take effort and physical labor and being present. So I decided to turn my brain off and watch Netflix. So yeah, anyways, since this is a Thug Life finger, it is the one that is going to be used for every demolding because I'm not trying to break no other nails, you know? She already took the fall, so I might as well make her the fall guy. I hope I didn't fall in my hair. Ooh, yes. Oh, this green looks so pretty. Yes. Okay, and then this damn doorknob. Come on, baby girl, like, come on. I want you to get out so we can go have fun. What time is it? Gotta go, man, I gotta go. Because these are all going on my table today. All right, here we are. This thumbnail already feels unstable. Ooh, real unstable. So everything has this white cast to it. What's going on? But yeah, we got gold, we got green, we got vagine, and then we have multicolored. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to All Things Pointless, and whether you got here on purpose or by fate, thank you for watching this pointless unmolding. Bye.